Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. Liquefied natural gas, or LNG for short, is natural gas that is cooled down to liquid form for easier transportation. The benefit is that LNG can be transported without need of complicated and expensive pressurized storage transport solutions. Given that, we're currently looking at a company named Flex LNG Ltd. They're traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol FLNG. It's a 1.4 billion market cap company that specializes in transport of LNG via its fleet of 13 modern vessels. John?
Yeah, and moreover, there's some revenue certainty with this company as it has long-term fixed rate charter contracts in place for 11 of its vessels, and another one is actually reserved for variable usage. Now, if you check out the company's chart at incomeinvestors.com, you'll see that it shows indecisive trading, or there is indecisive trading in FLNG stock. Stock declined at this recording 4% this year and 7% over the past year. Now, for longer-term investors, it has been a totally different story, as Flex LNG stock has rewarded investors with a 493% gain over the last 4 years. Now that's with dividends reinvested. Now, if you elected to take the money and run, the total shareholder return slips to a still reasonable 275%.
John, let's talk numbers. How do they look?
Flex grew its revenues 209% from 2019 to the record $371 million in 2023. The company's revenues grew in each of the last 5 years, resulting in a compound annual growth rate of 27.5%. In the first half of this year, 2024, Flex LNG delivered revenues of $174.9 million. Now that's down 2.4% year over year, but up 10.2% for the first half of the year. Now, based on the results to date, the company will likely report flat to slightly down revenues for 2024. To drive growth, Flex LNG will need to expand its fleet and or increase the shipping fees. Expansion should not be an issue, given the positive free cash flow and profitability. The company also has recently raised additional financing credit.
What about the bottom line here?
Flex LNG has delivered higher profitability in the post-22 health crisis years from 2021 to 2023. On an adjusted basis, analysts expect Flex LNG to earn $2.47 per diluted share in 2024. That's compared to $2.52 per share in 2023. In 2025, earnings per share are expected to come in at $2.49.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for our free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. And John, how do these financials impact the company's dividends?
The company's fund statement shows 2 straight years of positive free cash flow in 2022 and 2023. Flex LNG could report higher free cash flow in 2024 based on its first half free cash flow of $82.3 million. Now that's up from $74.6 million in the same period of 2022. This is positive and should allow the company to continue with dividends as well as fleet expansion if it wants. Flex LNG stock's quarterly dividend of 75 cents per share has been in place since December 2021. That's compared to 40 cents per share in September 2021. Occasionally, the company will boost its regular quarterly payout through a special dividend. This included one for 12.5 cents per share in November 2023, 25 cents per share in February 2023, and 50 cents per share in September 2022. Now, Flex stock's forward yield of 11.27% is attractive and largely due to price weakness over the past year. The last 10 years, the average dividend yield was 5.1%.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Flex LNG is pretty unique in that insiders own more of the company than institutions do. Institutional ownership accounts for 22.8% of the outstanding shares, while the insider interest is extremely high at 43.1%. This share structure suggests that insiders are more motivated to deliver. And in our opinion, income investors who want an above average dividend yield with an opportunity of capital appreciation should look at Flex LNG stock. That's it for today. And make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.